Hi everyone, Ohio State Senator Ken Smith here. Welcome to In Case You Missed It, State House Edition, map breaking edition for the week ending August 16th. That's right, Ohio, it's back. In 2018, over 75% of Ohio voters approved a constitutional amendment to change how Ohio would draw its congressional districts. Normally, that process would take place following the release of the 10-year federal census, with new maps taking effect in the next federal election cycle. But contained within the 2018 amendment was a provision that if the minority party did not support the newly drawn maps, the congressional maps would be redrawn 4 years later. And that, folks, is where we are right now. So let's look at Ohio's voting history. In the 2024 statewide elections, Republicans got between 55 and 50% of the vote. So if Ohio is a 55-45 state, then the current 10-5 map is an inaccurate representation of the Buckeye state. The most accurate congressional map for Ohio would be 8-7. The easiest way to draw that would be to add a district to Ohio's two largest counties, Franklin and Cuyahoga. The average size of a congressional district is 761,000 people. The population of Cuyahoga County is about 1.2 million. Population of Franklin County is about 1.3 million. So it would be easy for both counties to get a second congressional seat. Those additions and the other Democratic seats remaining in Toledo, Cincinnati, and Akron gets Ohio to an 8-7 map. This is important because we've heard that the GOP is talking about changing Ohio's current 10-5 map to a 13-2 Republican map. We should not be surprised by their anti-fairness, anti-democratic tactics. After all, this is the same party that tried to end majority rule in 2023 and admitted in public that their strategy in 2024 was to use unclear ballot language to confuse voters. So as we head into this next map drawing cycle, I'm asking Republicans to listen to the advice of one of their own, Secretary of State Frank LaRose, who in 2020 said this, quote, "Ohioans want to see a more balanced process based on compromise and working together, with the concept that voters pick their politicians rather than the other way around. It's up to us to be statesmen and stateswomen and find solutions and not always be focused on the red team versus blue team squabbles," unquote. So I hope that the members of the Redistricting Commission will finally listen to Frank LaRose and give Ohio the fair maps that we all deserve. I'm Ohio State Senator Ken Smith, and that's In Case You Missed It, State House Edition, map breaking edition for the week ending August 16th.